I'll be showing you the top blogging apps for your Shopify store. And for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, UI, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we'll take a look at is called Blogle. It's a powerful blog builder. So you can get personalized blog that matches your brand. It's designed in just minutes, and it's going to boost your SEO and sales. So it makes it super easy with a custom drag and drop editor. You get automatic SEO suggestions for every article you create. You can add products to articles in just 2 clicks, so you can help generate some organic revenue, and it's going to be optimized for speed. So overall, a very clean layout for this app that's going to allow you to boost your SEO and your blog posts so you can get more reach for all the content you create. You can have a customized blog homepage so you can display lists of your blog posts, and you can add products very easily. In terms of pricing, there's a 14-day free trial. And the standard plan is going to be $25 a month. And at $49 a month, you get a Klaviyo integration, unlimited templates, and they'll be coming out with multilingual blogs soon. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with over 170 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the summary, merchants value the SEO analytics and recommendations, which help improve content ranking on search engines, and the built-in SEO analysis and pop-up feature are also highlighted. The second app we're taking a look at is called Drop-in Blog. So it's going to replace the built-in Shopify blog, and it's going to help you rank better with embeddable products to help drive sales. Similar to the previous app we looked at, it's going to give you an SEO analyzer so you can edit your posts and make sure they're optimized to get distribution. You can easily embed products. They have pre-built responsive templates, and you can create SEO-friendly URLs. So rather than /blog/blog in your subdomain, you can customize that to your liking. In terms of pricing, there's a 14-day free trial. The light plan is going to start at $24 a month. It's going to go up to $49 a month. And at the light plan, you get unlimited categories and posts. In terms of reviews, sitting at a almost perfect 4.9 stars with over 190 5-star reviews. Key features include a built-in SEO analyzer, scheduling tool, and the ability to embed products into posts. Merchants can also import existing blogs and add multimedia content. The third app we're taking a look at is called SEO Blog Optimizer. So it's going to give you clever SEO recommendations to help drive organic traffic to your Shopify blog. It's going to give you things such as an SEO score and a key phrases generator. So it's going to take all your existing blog content and give you SEO scores so you can see which ones to optimize. It's going to give you these in real time as well when you're writing your blog posts, and you can see an instant Google preview of what it's going to look like. In terms of pricing, there's a completely free plan that's going to give you that automatic SEO score. And on the premium plan, you can get those real-time optimized SEO article recommendations. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 12 5-star reviews. And the latest review here says that it's really useful to see how optimized their blogs are, and they can see where they've missed certain key parts of their SEO strategy with their blogs. The fourth and final app here is called Magean Blog, and it's going to allow you to create SEO-friendly blogs to drive more traffic, improve customer experience, and increase conversions. You can get highly configurable SEO settings like metadata, XML sitemaps, and permalinks. You can use advanced permalink settings to create SEO-friendly blog URLs, and you can enable a sidebar widget to display search, category tree, and recent posts, as well as archived posts. So you can get fully featured posts to share valuable content, add featured images, and you get full control over the design, display, links, and SEO. In terms of pricing, there's a free 14-day trial with a basic free plan here that gives you 100 entities. So these can be posts, categories, tags, and comments, and it goes up to $39 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 4 5-star reviews, and the latest review here says that they were thoroughly impressed with this app and its consistent performance. The support team is always ready to tackle any issues, and they wholeheartedly recommend it to others. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. You have your cost of goods sold, your ad spend across different platforms, your transaction fees, your refunds, and more. That's where our sponsor ProfitCalc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, and it's going to give you real-time calculations along with a ton of different details, analytics, and charts so you can make smarter business decisions for your store. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the app listing directly. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCalc and then looking for this logo in the top left. So this concludes the video here on the top blogging apps for your Shopify store. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to add to yours. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.